You have a change of tyre on the F1 car. Now these things are designed to be quick. Because pit stops, they win and lose races. So these pneumatic drills, or pneumatic rattle guns, they're designed for speed. And the current time to beat, 7.64 seconds, that's pretty fast. But, as I say, the record for the fastest pit stop challenge is 1.9 seconds, set by Red Bull Racing last year. I'm pretty sure on that. And we're good to go. So give me a second, guys. So boys, I'm going to count you down, and on go, you'll start. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! We lost the nut. One up, one down. Waiting for the teammates straight in the chain. And bam, there it is, 18.13.